HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us visualize the sum of squares. The sum of squares, SS, is the sum of the squared deviations of each score from the mean. Let's start with the score of 1. The score of 1 is 3 units away from the mean of 4. The deviation of 3 is then squared, indicated by the red square. The area of the red square is 9 units, because 3 squared equals 9. The next score is 2. As we can see, the score of 2 is 2 units away from the mean of 4. The deviation of 2 is then squared, which is indicated by the red square. The area of the red square is 4 units, because 2 squared equals 4. The next score is 5. As we can see, the score of 5 is 1 unit away from the mean of 4. The deviation of 1 is then squared, which is indicated by the red square. The area of the red square is 1 unit, because 1 squared equals 1. The last score is 8. As we can see, the score of 8 is 4 units away from the mean of 4. The deviation of 4 is then squared, which is indicated by the red square. The area of the red square is 16 units, because 4 squared equals 16. Now that we have each squared deviation, we just sum all 4 of these together. The total of all squared deviations is the sum of squares, SS. SS equals 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 16 is equal to 30. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.